Hi there, this is Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I'm so glad you've come and checked me out, and I hope you'll come back. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I'm here today to do a project share. I had requests for, there's a lot of people in YouTube land who are creating what's called a Pokey tool, and I've had some requests for them, so I wanted to make some. These tools are made, find my little doodad. I'll show this to you in a second. So here are the ones that I made. I'll just lay them all out there and then show them to you individually. So some of them are made using the turkey lacers that I got on Amazon, and some of them are made using the these are called Scribe Pins that come from Hobby Lobby. This one is the Scribe Pin. It is 6 inches long, and I used beads from my stash to create this. And the nicest thing about this is the little loop at the top is fully closed, so I don't have to worry about finding a way to close it. And on this one I put a little charm that is a seashell. This one I did also on the Scribe Pin using some black and white beads. These beads are all either from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And then on this one, this is the charm that I added. Sorry, my dogs are playing in the background. This one, I wanted to make one that was blue and or teal. This is the Scribe Pin also, and then I have a little butterfly charm. Some of these beads came, I think, from Potomac, maybe? Whoever sells Jesse James beads, I can't remember. And there were some little packages that I bought that were Jesse James beads. And here is, this one is purple. It might be kind of hard to tell that it's purple, but it is purple. It's got some pretty purple beads on it. This one is a muted pink color, and I have these little purse charms that I got years ago, and I thought the person that this is for loves purses, so that's why I put that on there. These ones from Hobby Lobby come with the little stopper on the bottom. Sorry for the dogs making noise. And then this one is pink also on one of the Scribe Pins, and I put heart charm on there. Now these two are made with the turkey lacers, and I don't know if you can tell in this picture, they are not closed at the top. So I had to use my tools and try to close them. They were kind of hard to close at the top. And these are shorter. These are barely 4 inches long. This, I had this cute little flower charm. And this is the other one. So I won't be doing a tutorial on these. There are 1,000 YouTubers out there who have already done tutorials on it. But I can tell you briefly kind of how they're done. I use E6000 glue, and I just take the pin and I start by putting a little bit of the E6000 at the bottom, and then I put a little bit before each piece I put on, and then I have them dry overnight standing upside down. I push everything down as much as I can, have them dry overnight upside down. And E6000 glue is wonderful. I love it. I use it for lots of different things, but it works really well for something like this. So these are my Pokey tools that I made the other day. Let me know what you think. They were fun to make, and they're actually, the hardest part was choosing which ones to put together, and a lot of beads will not fit on these tools. This one is narrower than this, so the beads that are on these two would not fit on this one. There's another turkey lacer that you can get on Amazon that's even bigger, and only beads with really big holes will fit on it. So I haven't made any with that yet. I will be at some point. The bummer about these is these Scribe Pins. Hobby Lobby only ever has 2 packages on their peg at a time. My Hobby Lobby does. So I can only ever buy 2 packages at once, and they don't refill them very often. It took me 4 or 5 different trips to be able to get the 3 packages that I had. So these are my Pokey tools. Let me know what you think. I think I already said that, so I apologize for repeating myself. If you want to see how to make them, you can just put Pokey tool in the search bar on YouTube, and 1,000 videos will come up showing you how to make them. So that's it for my project share for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.